right, so our wood panel is primed, and now we are going to base coat it with black paint. So I've got some golden carbon black paint here. First thing I'm going to do is paint my edges, and I want to get a little bit of water on my brush just so it moves a little bit better here. I tend to like to do the corners and then work my way in a little bit. Make sure it's completely covered. And with this paint, you generally only need one coat, which I love. It's got so much pigment in it that you tend not to need to do multiple coats, which is always a lovely time saver, not having to add multiple coats to it. Now, last side here. And the front. Because our primer's so light, it's very easy to see if by chance our coat didn't cover as much as we would like it to. A little bit more paint. I clearly love this color. I'm getting to the last little bits of it. And I will typically paint the edges and then paint the center, and then I typically go over the entire thing and make sure my brush strokes are all going the same way. I think part of it is I like to hold the center of it while I'm doing it so that it's not moving around. Need some more. And then I want all my brush strokes going the same way. And there we go. I'm going to let that completely dry, and I'll see you in the next video for the next step.